So we're at the place where I believe I know what the failure was here with this 351 Windsor of my brother-in-law's. And this is a principle that applies to gas or diesel engines, it doesn't matter. So the machine shop that ground down this crankshaft went a little bit too aggressive. This particular crank is about 1/1000th of an inch outside of spec on the loose side, so they ground too much material away. I believe that was causing oil to escape, especially once the engine got up to temperature, and that created excessive heat and wear on our bearings and caused the issues that you've seen in our previous videos. It's really easy to do this. All you need is a careless machinist or a micrometer that's not calibrated correctly, or just a little tiny layer of some kind of dust or film or something like that that's on the crankshaft. If everything's not perfectly clean and calibrated and whatnot, you can mess something up like this in a heartbeat. So what we do here at Choate Engineering Performance to make sure this doesn't happen to our engines is every single time that a crankshaft is getting ready to leave the balancing department and head up to assembly, it's going to get measured by a micrometer that has just been calibrated. Those measurements are going to be written down and recorded, and even before the engine gets assembled with the crankshaft in it, our assembly team is going to put the main caps on, they're going to torque them down to spec with the bearings in them, and they're going to take measurings of the bearings themselves. We're going to take those and we're going to make sure that we have the right amount of oil clearance between the actual crankshaft itself and the bearings. That way we know that whenever our customers punch the throttle on their Choate Engineering Performance engine, they can rest easy and have lots of smiles knowing that their engine's not going to lock up due to a crankshaft that's been ground wrong.